and welcome to this series about learning theory. This short video introduces you to learning theory and gives an overview of what is to follow and where to go next. Learning theory is multidisciplinary and based on research from many different fields, such as psychology, pedagogy, computer science, philosophy, anthropology, neuroscience, and other fields with a connection to learning. It can be tricky because there are different ways of categorizing the perspectives and theories, and the categories are also changing over time. But it's kind of like a map. We might have the same physical land, but it's called different things over time. Countries change its names and boundaries are moved. What was called cultural historic theories in the 90s is now more often referred to as social constructivism. I will use the categorizing of perspectives from the chapter Learning and Role-Playing Games in the book Role-Playing Game Studies, a Transmedia Approach. This chapter is written by Hammer et al., and they use 4 overarching perspectives. And each of these perspectives includes multiple different theories that have evolved over time and might differ from each other. We will touch on some of these in the later videos. But what is important to highlight here is that I don't want you to think of this as finding the one perspective or theory for you. They are all different ways of looking at and understanding learning, and you can use things from all of them, even if some probably will resonate more strongly with you. But why is this relevant to role-playing games? Here are a number of reasons. Different practices and ways of reasoning around learning comes from different theoretical backgrounds, and knowing about these can help with creating a deeper understanding of teaching and learning and role-playing games used for this purpose. By knowing about the perspectives and theories, you also get a language to talk and think about what you do and how you think about it. Knowing the perspectives and theories makes you recognize where other people come from in the way they are thinking about teaching and learning through role-playing games. Having the language can help you find and understand research about role-playing and learning. And knowing the theory can actually help you solve some design issues in your educational game. We will be looking closer at 4 perspectives. And these are 4 perspectives that look at learning in different ways. We have behaviorism, where learning is seen as change in behavior through external events. Cognitivism, learning as informational processing. Constructivism, learning as an individual inner construct. And here we will shortly mention constructionism also, since it is mentioned by Hammer et al. And then we have social constructivism, where learning is seen as first social and then individual, and always happening within a culture. So, where do you go from here? This series has 5 more videos that are made to be seen in the following order. Note here that the behaviorism video will ask you to pause and watch parts of 2 external videos pretty early on. If you want to, you can also watch them before. You will find the links in the description for the behaviorism video. Here you have my references, and thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next video.